So, this uh, is a short story by Catherine Ann Porter. The title of the story is Rope, Rusty. First of all, we would be coming to introduction. Catherine Ann Porter was an American journalist. Catherine Ann Porter was an American journalist, an essayist, a short story writer. She was a novelist and a political activist. Now, Catherine Ann Porter is examining certain situations in which a woman of her own background and social standing might find herself trapped in an unhappy marriage and personally limited by the attitudes and values of her spouse. So, this story is basically about a woman who is trapped, who is stuck in an unhappy marriage कि वो एक बहुत नाखुशगवार शादीशुदा ज़िंदगी गुजार रही है and she is personally limited by the attitudes of her spouse. The man and the woman in Rope are unnamed and undescribed. We do not know the names of both of the husband and wife. Since Rope does illuminate the husband's feelings more than the wife, she concludes the storyteller is most likely the husband and that Rope is the story of a wife's frustrations of her husband's inability to understand and comprehend them. कि एक्चुअली ये एक ऐसी स्टोरी है जो एक वाइफ की फ्रस्ट्रेशन और डिसअपॉइंटमेंट के बारे में है कि हर हस्बैंड फेल्स टू अंडरस्टैंड his wife. The story Rope describes the hidden frustration of a married couple that is caused by lack of communication by presenting a bundle of rope as a symbol. So rope जो है वो इसके अंदर it is playing as a symbol. The main idea of this short story is like this. A married couple hang themselves with words in Catherine Ann Porter's short story Rope, which is about a heated argument. कि जो स्टोरी है वो इस तरह से शुरू हो रही है कि this is about an argument, a heated and a very aggressive argument in a setting that is unfamiliar to both opponents, husband and wife, over a coil of rope. कि husband and wife are fighting and arguing over a coil of rope and some forgotten coffee. Porter, who suffered several failed relationships of her own, because हम किसी भी story को we study a story from the perspective of the author of that story. कि what are the personal background, what was the personal background which forced that particular author to write the story. So author Catherine Ann Porter's own personal background is closely linked with story. So Catherine Ann Porter herself, who is the author of the story, has also suffered and endured failed relationships, seems to be diagramming not only a marital upheaval but also the frustrated discovery that all couples experience when partners reveal selfishly real motivations. She is actually trying to reveal the selfishness of the husband and wife in the story. The rope becomes a symbolic chain that joins them in misery, a noose that mentally lynches both as one. It was the rope again, says Porter, invoking marital doom. Their spat reveals numerous hot buttons in the relationship. Her hatred of the home, his hatred of her impatience, their detestation of each other, both of them do not like each other. The tale's balance is remarkable. कि the balance of the story is remarkable. कि story के अंदर जो balance maintain किया गया है that is marvelous. The couple never understand each other's thought processes. कि दोनों जो couples हैं they do not understand each other's mind, although we see them perfectly, and their mutual tone moves from annoyance to spite to white hot anger. What is the significance of title Rope? The rope itself is symbolic. इस जो rope है, it is the title itself is very symbolic because we see rope can tie things together, which seems to be the case in the story. Both the husband and the wife are bound to each other कि दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं through marriage. Whether they like it or not, they have to accept it that they are married. So rope effectively demonstrates what can happen in a relationship without mutual respect and a conscious effort to understand the other's point of view. The story basically is about the importance of a relationship and the importance of mutual respect and the certain efforts in order to understand the other's point of view. In a marriage, in a marital relationship, the importance lies to a great degree of others' points of view. कि husband and wife दोनों के points of views matter to a much greater extent. Unfortunately, these fated relationship. Why fated relationship? Because they are bound to stick together by means of marriage. So they are fated. जो किस्मत में लिखा चुका है उनका relationship are not uncommon in our society. Often minor disagreements, छोटी छोटी जो disagreements है बातों पर between husband and wife escalate into domestic violence. वो एक domestic violence की सूरत इख्तियार कर जाते हैं. Gender roles and perceptions, though radically evolving, continue to sabotage otherwise healthy and mutually beneficial lessons. What are the themes in this short story Rope? There is insecurity between their relationship, between the relationship of husband and wife. There is love, hidden love. There is resentment, there is connection because both of them are connected to each other and they are bound to stick together by means of marriage. Whether they like each other or not, they have to stay together. There is commitment in a form of marriage. There is struggle, there is paralysis of relationship, frustration and disappointment, and there is lack of communication as well. So we come to the conclusion of this short story by Catherine Ann Porter. She delineates certain circumstances in which a wife is caught in an unhappy marriage. कि ये एक ऐसी story है जिसके अंदर a wife is facing hardships and certain troubles of unhappy marriage, frustration, and she is completely disappointed and frustrated by the situation which surrounds her. The wife experiences financial distress as well and anxiety as well because her husband is unfaithful. The husband does not bother to communicate with her. The husband does not even try to communicate with her and does not even try to understand her mind. The story is based on the quarrel of a married couple. के story जो है actually it is about a fight of both of them. उनके दरमियान जो लड़ाई है. And it shows that a small dispute, और ये दिखाता है ये story कि even a small dispute, even a small argument that happens in everyday life can be an opportunity to express cumulative complaints. कि जब दो लोगों की आपस में fight, quarrel, argument start होता है तो it is also an opportunity to express our pent up feelings जो हमने दिल में दबा के रखी होती हैं. The trivial, the short, unimportant argument about coffee and rope becomes a serious squabbling कि एक छोटी सी बात बहुत बड़ी बन जाती है. The irony is that neither party cares for the other कि दोनों एक दूसरे की परवाह नहीं कर रहे any more than they care about the useless rope कि वो एक फजूल सी रस्सी के बारे में एक दूसरे से लड़ रहे हैं ना कि एक दूसरे को समझ रहे हैं. So this is the irony.